everyone. Guess where we're at? We are in Catalina Island. We are taking a teeny tiny vacation. And we're gonna be here for the next couple of days and we're gonna head back to Long Beach. But come join us for a little adventure or a little vacation.
Somebody's swimming over there.
Ah, maybe that one's trying to get some fish. That's what we need to do, honey.
It's kind of cold right now.
Not now, maybe tomorrow. Good morning. Today is, what is today? Monday? Monday morning. And we are on our way to the bus stop that's gonna take us go ziplining. It's gonna be exciting. I have a little bit of butterfly in my tummy, but a little bit nervous about heights. And we're gonna do this. Woohoo! This is our view this morning. It's like overcast, perfect photo day. But we're gonna go ziplining first and then we'll do a photo shoot later. Yep, photo shoot later. And it's beautiful. Look at this. I'm trying not to get my lovey in it, but this is our view. Nice jog. I should have come up earlier to go jogging. Come on, let's go. All right, we're checking in right here, right behind me, and we're gonna head up to do our zip line. And I'm gonna do a GoPro, $35. So I won't have to hold this cell phone or lose it or anything like that. I'm a bit nervous, but we can do this. Right, honey?
Yep, we can. It'll be fun. I'll sign this as well.
All right. We're just gonna go up here, all the way up there, and then stairs are a good workout. Just to get it go. Yep. All right, we'll see you guys up there. Ah! Sitting and waiting to do our little training class before we go zip line. But don't I look awesome in this? Like a robot. All right, let's get our training in. Let's go zip line.
Nervous? We're dancing. We're scared. Right?
Yes. Yeah. Nervous, excited. All the butterflies. And they're coming out. I can't contain them.
They'll keep you up in the air.
Yeah, did you want this?
Yeah.
7, 8, 9.
I'm shaking.
Can you put this on her?
Okay.
Break good, guys, ready?
Let's see here. It's...
You'll be okay.
You want me to face it forward or?
Think this way. I'll just go like that.
Okay.
Is that better? Okay.
Alright, baby, that down, zip in.
Alright, brother, zip away.
Now zipping down. Come on. There you go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. That was fun. All right.
Alright.
Here we go.
This. You know the drill.
I'm gonna count Spanish. Oh no! 3. Woo!
Hey, remember the camera.
Gotta go.
Your
Hey,
Remember
pose.
the camera.
oh, go.
That's what I did. Woo! That's gonna be a good one.
Great.
Big step out of the way.
Didn't work.
It looked pretty cool from here.
Woo!
There you
Oh. We are done.
Y'all want to stop just there? One's gonna go like right above us.
Oh.
I see Grandpa.
Right up here. Oh. They're gonna have one go right. Oh, here she comes, Rena.
Woo! Yay! Oh, almost. Okay, awesome.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Honey, how was the zip line?
It was alright.
It was awesome. I did some tricks. I was trying to do Superman, but it didn't really work. You have to have a lot of upper strength to do it.
My leg didn't go straight back. My leg kept on going down.
It was awesome, man. I was nervous at first, but then afterwards, it feels like a grow, like you're a pro. You try different tricks, but that was so fun.
What are you drinking now?
Double shot.
And so we were talking to like 5
What's
or
up,
10
Bloody Mary?
Bloody Mary.
He took pictures with me and we just
Lady, have fun.
yeah, so, and then he got the jersey, he signed it, he was like super cool.
How is it? Good?
It is good. I am chillax mode right now. Super strong. Oh, Keisha. Keisha, taking a shot for you, Keisha.
Double shot for Keisha?
Double shot for Keisha. Chillax mode right now. Person making bubbles. Right next to our hotel.
How's that one compared to the other one?
Dance it up, dance it up, dance it up.
That one better?
Yes. Oh shit, I lost that.
They landed straight.
Don't land it straight.
What did you just ate?
Spicy food. It's awesomeness. Spicy. No more shrimp in there. I finished it. But damn shit, that was spicy. Not like super spicy, but just right
All
off.
the shrimps already.
I sure did. I'm trying to look for some more. But ain't no more. See, look.